Time is precious, so we want to spend as little time as possible fiddling with security when we can be getting on with the things that we actually want to do. I want you to get your best return on investment in terms of your time when it comes to applying security. The aim should be to protect what you value most and apply enough security so you can do the things that you want to do safely online. Consider your accounts, files, email, websites you visit, etc. now, and ask yourself, what is most confidential to me? What can't you afford to lose? What is irreplaceable? What could cause you the most damage? What might impact your reputation? Examples of things that you might come up with could be photographs, credit card details, bank account details, personal information or personal identifiable information, account information related to, say, your bank account, LinkedIn, Facebook, Amazon, PayPal, your primary email, your Bitcoin wallet, your browser history, special files that you particularly care about, password information. Think about if they were stolen, destroyed or encrypted so you couldn't use them, placed on the internet, put in the hands of a criminal. Now make a list of these things and how much you really care about them. We will refer to these as your security assets. These are the things that you care about, your assets. We'll then use this list of assets to concentrate your efforts later when it comes to applying security. There's little point, for example, spending hours trying to back up files you can simply replace and not taking extra special care on files you cannot replace. So the purpose of this is to spend most of your effort on the things that you value and the things that you care about, and spend much less effort wasting time on the things that you really don't care about or can be replaced quite easily.